Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and this is a full overview of the TubeBuddy application for your mobile, and this is also how to make use of TubeBuddy. If you don't have this application, go over to your Android Play Store and search for TubeBuddy, just like this. Wait for it. Oh, I updated the applications. So go over to your Android Play Store and then you search TubeBuddy and you hit search. So when you search for this is actually the application right there. Go ahead and install it. Once you have it installed, hit open and you are going to open the application. So it opens like this. And once it opens, you need to sign in to the email of that particular YouTube channel that you want to work on. So once you have it, it's going to display all of the video you have and it's going to show you how your video is performing. The one on green also is actually the one that is doing well, and the one that has yellow on it means it's not doing properly well. So it means you can edit or you work on it. So when you click on this three-dotted icon, you can see some option of things you can improve on your video. I think I double clicked, so that's the reason why it's black. So you notice it says I did not upload a high resolution thumbnail, which is something I can edit. I will work on that later on. And then I already have a good tag, and then the yellow ones is actually what I did not write. So it says I did not add description. I did not add tag to the description, so I need to add tag to the description. And then it says right here the tag length is not up to 500 characters, which means I need to increase them. And then there is no caption. I think I actually have caption. And then there is no end screen, and then there is no playlist. I also did not add it to a playlist, and I did not share it to any Facebook. So these are all the things that I need to improve in order for this video to be looking good. So if you want your video to look good, upload a high resolution image, and then you add tag to your description, and then you do all these things. After you've done all these things, you can go ahead and save them up. If you don't have access to actually edit this, making use of this particular platform, you can always go to your video studio or your YouTube studio and edit all of these things, and they will be active. So this is actually the tag section. So this is a suggestion for your tag, and you can also click on explore or suggest more, and it's going to give you more suggestion of that tag. But I just went back anyway. So the next one is on the bottom section is your comment section. Okay, let me go back, guys. On this particular area, this is your home page. On the top right hand area, this is actually the TubeBuddy logo. On the top left hand area is actually the menu where you upgrade the application. So when you click on that, you can go ahead and upgrade the application by clicking on the feature or on the monthly subscription that you want. You can click on upgrade and you pay with cash, but if not, you can go ahead and keep using the free one. And then the next one is actually showing your channel subscription count, and it's actually live, so it keep counting. If anybody just joined or if anybody just subscribed, it's going to count. And then the next section shows all the video on your channel, which is actually what I just clicked on by showing you guys. And then on the bottom area, you see there are so many features. You can click on the comment section and you're going to see everybody that commented on your video and what they are actually looking for. So I just clicked on that and you can see all the people that commented on the video, and these are they. And then the next one is actually your milestone. When you click on your milestone, just like YouTube or just like vidIQ, it displays all the milestone you just achieved recently. So if you click on the last or the most recent milestone, which is actually the one on the top, you can see everything, and you can click on save to photo and it will be saved to your gallery, or it will be saved to your mobile. Okay, this is actually a screenshot I took. Let me click on save to photo again. It should have saved to my photo. Let me just go ahead and confirm this by going over to my files, because it did not give me notification that an image was saved. Okay, it's saved, and this is it. This is TubeBuddy, and this is the two image I saved, right? So you can always re-upload this on other platform. So it just saved right now. So let me go ahead and back out. You can always save your achievement or your milestone and you reshare it on other social media for your friends to see. And then on the news session, this just shows information about vidIQ, about TubeBuddy, and also shows information about YouTube. So it shows information about the current thing on vidIQ, or probably the latest post by vidIQ. So the next one on the menu area is actually more information about what vidIQ does. So what TubeBuddy does, I keep saying vidIQ. This is actually about TubeBuddy. So you can notice that on the tag section, you can click on that if you want to explore the tag, or you can just click on the topic planner if you want, or if you want to save your topic for future purpose. And guys, if you're actually making use of the topic planner, it's actually going to be giving you suggestion based on the topic you choose. And then you can also see the option to can your response. So if you want to see these canned responses, is actually probably comments that actually violate, or comments that you do not want to accept on your platform. So if you do not want to accept these comments on your channel, just click on add and you are going to be able to add those canned response that you don't like. But I think I don't want to add anyone right now, because I don't think there is anything abusive, or any abused content creator that we just come over to my channel and leave some unnecessary comments that is unwanted. So for your tag list is actually the list of tag that you probably it's actually supposed to be like tags that you want to be making use of frequently. You can click on add and you add the tag. You notice it says this list doesn't contain any tags, so you can go ahead and click on name and then you type in a name and you hit save on the top right hand area. But I don't think I want to leave any tag here, so I think I'm okay. So guys, this is everything for this application. And to round up this video, guys, I'm going to actually recommend you guys to make use of vidIQ even more. But then depending on you, pay attention to both of them and choose which one is the best. But for me, I think I'm going to focus on vidIQ. But once in a while, I use both of them because I use them for two different things. But if you want to grow your content, get more views, and grow your channel easily, I would suggest you use vidIQ even more. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel. And if for some reason you want to pay for any of these two, go ahead and make your payment. It's actually very wise, especially if you are a new content creator. Pay for all this channel and you'll be able to use them properly. And guys, I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel for more video. I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.